Hi guys, here's some quick instructions for your War for Independence project number 2. It is focused on the idea that we are a nation built of rebels, and I wanted to use this assignment as an opportunity for you to see some visuals and get away from some of the reading that you've been doing so diligently on Odysseyware. So it's a set of Google slides, and you'll just go through each of the slides and obviously write based on what you have viewed. So you'll go to the first slide here, you'll click either here or on the YouTube link, either one will work, and you'll watch the video. All of the videos are less than 5 minutes long, so they'll go by pretty quickly, and then you will click over here and you will write your answer to the question. And then you'll go to the next slide. For this one, you are only going to choose 2 out of the 4. So pick whichever 2 you want, and then you'll click on the link right here, and you'll watch the video. Again, all of them are very short, a few minutes long. And here you're going to explain how this contributed to rebellion. And make sure you're using ideas from the video links. I'm not asking you to tell me what the acts are, what the policies are. We did that in our last unit. I want you to instead think a little bit about how it fits with rebellion. And then you'll go to the next slide. You'll watch this video on the Sons and Daughters of Liberty, and then you'll answer your question over here. Same with this question about Crispus Attucks and the Boston Massacre. And then you'll watch this last video on Lexington and Concord. So it's a total of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. All of them are about 3 or 4 minutes long, so it shouldn't take you too long to look through each of them, give you a chance to do something a little different from reading, and then the last slide is this last question about this idea of a nation of rebels. I'm interested to see how you think this has played a role in American history. So once you're finished with all of these Google slides, you'll just turn your Google slides in on Google Classroom, and you're all finished.